हेलो सर। सर हम आपसे डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं, आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं सर कि एज एन अडल्ट इंस्ट्रक्टर कौन कौन से ऐसे प्रॉब्लम है जो प्रोग्राम जब हम रन करते हैं तब होते हैं।
One is most of the adults are not able to attend the classes. Maybe because they are working somewhere else. Maybe because they have some other priorities also. But the fact is, they are highly motivated. They want to learn. And as a result of this, they try to overcome all the difficulties and attend the classes because they think that at home they may not be getting enough time to read, and hence if they attend the class they'll be gaining a lot of knowledge from the classes. But unfortunately, because of, as I said earlier, because of their other engagements, one problem which I have perceived faced by adult learners is not able to attend the classes, number one. Number two, we may have given them some assignment, maybe say to read certain books, to write something. Now here also, many of the adult learners are not able to complete this, once again maybe for the want of time.
सर आपको लगता है कि माइग्रेशन की प्रॉब्लम होती है?
See, I know I have some students who are from Dang district, and that too in a very remote area of remote village of Dang. Now they know that their study center is at Baroda only. Fine. So they have to travel a distance, long distance from Dang to Baroda. Do you call this as migration? Then somehow, see, they are mentally prepared. They know that my study center is going to be this only. So, it may not be convenient for them to attend the classes. Still, they have to attend the class because there is no other option.
सर एज एन इंस्ट्रक्टर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है जब आप क्लास के लिए जाते हो?
एक problem. Okay, one major problem which I have seen is, or which I have encountered is, say day one or in the first class, I have taught something where some students remain present. Now in my next class, I am supposed to be continuing the topic, but then students are not the same. Those students who were there in the first class, now they are not there. Some other batch of student is there. So then, what happens is, I might have to spend a quite amount of time to revise the topic which I have already covered with them, and then I may not be able to progress. So this is the major difficulty I have faced in dealing with adult learners. That is, the same band of students are not present in all the classes.
सर आपको लगता है कि जो अडल्ट लर्नर्स होते हैं उसमें लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस की कुछ भी कमी होती है?
These adult learners, they know that it is a need for them. So they are working somewhere, and then this degree is going to fetch maybe some promotion or better salary. So they know the importance. They know the importance of degree, also the importance of knowledge, and hence many of them are highly motivated.
सर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर रिलेटेड कोई मेजर प्रॉब्लम?
See, infrastructure, because their classes are run in our MS University building. So as far as infrastructure is concerned, I did not face any problem, because all the facilities that is available to our MSc students, we make this facility available to the other students. So that way infrastructure was not a problem.
सर ओवरऑल आप मतलब क्या बोलो कि कोई ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम है जो आपको इतने सालों में ऐसा फेस हुआ हो, या जेंडर रिलेटेड कोई प्रॉब्लम?
Instead of gender related, I would say a social related kind of problem. I know, see, I had few aged women, they were my students. Now the problem is, their daughter might have to appear some examination, or their son or daughter, they might have to help them for their preparation. So I don't know whether we call this as a gender or social related problem. But then, and see, they have a lot of social responsibility. I also know one aged lady whose daughter's marriage was there in the next month. So then, even if she wanted, she was not able to attend the classes. So these kind of problems are there. In fact, that way there were many such problems. This is in the for women. Similarly, for male candidates also. See, for male candidates, the major problem is they have to earn. If they do not earn, the major problem is how will they run the household affairs. So somehow, maybe on Sunday or on holiday also, if they are getting some kind of employment, they will work there also. So, but this is more related to social and economical aspect rather than the gender aspect.
Thank you so much, sir, for your support and
Fine.